Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Uber account step by step. If you no longer use Uber or just want to remove your account for privacy reasons, this quick guide will help you do it easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store on your phone and go to the search bar. Type Uber and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. This is important because some options may not be available on older versions. Once the app is updated, open the Uber app. Now tap on the account option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Settings. Here you'll see different account options. Scroll all the way down until you find the option called Delete Account or Account Deletion. Tap on it, and Uber will ask you to verify your identity. You'll receive a verification code, OTP. Enter that code to confirm. After verification, you'll be able to proceed with deleting your account permanently. And that's it. Your Uber account will be scheduled for deletion. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.